Hello and welcome back to the XEDI YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be covering getting to know your EDI mailbox. Each trading partner has their own onboarding process. You'll typically have either a PDF or an online supplier setup form to fill in with your EDI mailbox details, allowing you to send and receive business documents such as purchase orders and sales invoices. In this video, we'll go through and explain each section and what information needs to be provided. Now you've logged into the system, click on the drop down in the top right and select the profile button. In here, you'll find your EDI mailbox details at the top of the page. Let's take a brief look at each item. The account status. This indicates whether you're in trial or you have a paid plan. The mailbox status. By default, this will be set to test. The partner. This confirms which trading partner you are connecting to. Network. This indicates which EDI network you're going to be using. Mailbox ANA. This is a unique 13-digit mailbox code. The message format indicates which EDI format you're going to be using. And the EDI contact. This is where any EDI related correspondence should be sent. Now with that out of the way, let's dive in and complete your supplier setup form. On screen is a basic example of what a supplier setup form's EDI section may look like. Mailbox ANA code. During the sign-up process, you will automatically assign an EDI mailbox number, sometimes referred to as your ANA code. Fill this in from the Mailbox ANA section. Some retailers will prefer that you use a GLN number as your EDI mailbox address. For information on this, visit the description below. The mailbox name/ID. You may be asked for the mailbox name or mailbox ID. You can fill this in with AMR 50615. Tradercoms version. Tradercoms is a specific format for the EDI data. You use version 9. RSG. This is used for reconciliation. Although XEDI does support RSG, it is not mandatory, so it's up to you to leave this false or true. Network service provider. This is the network used to send your EDI data. You use OpenText TGMS. And the final 4 sections will typically include notification emails. For this section, you should enter an email address which you wish to receive your EDI submission notifications for. This is beneficial because you can be kept in the loop if any problems have occurred with the sending of your EDI documents. In the next video, we'll talk about your EDI inbox, your first test order, and how to return a test invoice and get your account live. See you there.